Hi students, I am Arnab Seth, your new mathematics mentor. Today I am going to publish ICSE 2021 mathematics sample paper, which is based on the latest reduced and revised syllabus guidelines blueprint issued by ICSE Council. Today I am also trying to publish a blueprint of success in ICSE 2021. Actually, I have made a plan for your success, which is I am going to publish 3 sample papers in October, 3 sample papers in November, 3 sample papers in December, and 2 sample papers in January. And I also try to complete these 3 topics: coordinate geometry, trigonometry, probability in the month of October. Okay, so if you try my if you like these videos, or if you like this sample paper, or if you face any kinds of difficulties in this paper, please make a comment and please share these videos to your friends, and please support my effort, and thanks for watching these videos, and please solve this question paper in time.
Okay, now let's first go through the general instruction of the question paper. Section A contain 40 marks. You have to attempt all questions from this section, and you have to attempt only 4 questions. Now we are in section B. This portion contains 7 questions. Out of these 7 questions, you have to attempt any 4. It is a critical part of this question paper. Actually, if you regularly practice a model paper, or if you regularly solve sample paper, then you have to increase the ability to choose the proper question which you have to answer. Question selection in section B is very important part of ICSE board exam. For proper question selection, you have to know what is your strong part. For proper selection, you have to target topics. For proper question selection, you have to know your comfortable zone. Which portion is comfortable? We know practice makes you perfect. So if you or we regularly practice or regularly solve the sample question paper, then it is very easy, and then it will be very easy to select proper question. Before board exam, you have to solve minimum or at least 10 sample question paper. I have made a plan for your success, which is that I deliver or I provide 10 sample question paper before February. After 2-3 classes, I provide you a video which will help or which will guide you to select question properly in section B. October, I try to complete 3 topics, that is coordinate geometry, trigonometry, and probability. Please share this video if you like, and make a comment. Thanks for watching this video, and please keep watching regularly to get update. Okay, tata.